How to improve your speaking fluency and confidence in English. Today I want to quickly talk about how you can improve your speaking and your ability to speak and your confidence in English. Okay? It's probably the most difficult part. That and understanding are the two most difficult parts of learning English for most people and for most students that we have anyway. And that's actually the reason why our classes concentrate on speaking. But there are some things that you can do to get past that and to improve your speaking and your confidence and your fluency, okay? There's lots of things you can do. So, most people have the problem of not speaking well or understanding well because of how they're taught in school. It's about the grammar and the vocabulary and the reading and the exercises and the writing with less focus on the speaking and the listening, which really are the most important aspects of a language for most people because these are the areas that you need. But anyway, so this is why it's a lot more difficult for people. So when they come to become an adult and they still can't speak and they still can't understand, it can be very difficult for them to go past that and to find a way to become more fluent. And another thing is that people worry about the mistakes that they make. So it stops them from speaking more and it makes them more shy. It makes them shyer in the English language. So I can relate to that because it happened to me in Spanish and sometimes still does. I'm shyer in Spanish than I am in English. So anyway, let's talk about how you can improve that. So if you have the opportunity, join classes. For example, our classes are all speaking based. So that's the type of class that you need. Either with just by yourself, if you can, or in a small group where the group is just, the purpose of the class is to learn English by speaking. If you do that, but you want more, or if that's not possible for you, you can find other people to practice your English with, either other English language learners, or perhaps you would like to show other people your language and they can help you with your English, which is also a good thing to do. So for example, if you go to a website like Tus Clases Particulares and ask for someone to do a language exchange with you, you could, for example, have an online class a few times a week, 30 minutes in English and 30 minutes in the other language. And it will help you with your confidence because you can ask them to correct your mistakes and you can practice your conversation. Another thing that you can do is to try to find local groups in your area, language exchange groups, or try meetup.com is a good website for groups as well in the language. So I know it means that you have to be brave and you have to get out there and speak, but there is no choice. To improve your speaking, you have to practice your speaking. You have to get past the embarrassment. Don't worry if you're making mistakes. Most people don't notice that you're making mistakes. They just think you have an exotic accent anyway. Don't worry if you can't find a word, if you need them to help you. It doesn't matter. This is how you improve. Okay? If you don't want to, really don't want to practice with other people, or if you don't have the opportunity, for example, there are ways to improve your speaking from home. One way is to read aloud, so from a book to your children or by yourself in English, and this will help you with the pronunciation of the words, how they sound, your English voice. It will help your confidence. So if you did this for 10 minutes every day, you would improve your speaking. Also, to improve your understanding, because when you speak, you want to understand what they say to you. This can also stop you from speaking, that maybe you don't understand what they say. To improve your understanding, listen to English every day. It can be English related, or it can be related to something that you like. A podcast, a YouTube video, or something like that. We actually have a challenge where people listen every day for a month and they improve their listening a lot. So it works. So if you combine listening with some sort of speaking exercise on a regular basis, by regular I mean every day or almost every day, you will notice big improvements in your understanding, your speaking and your confidence. So just do it, be brave, don't worry about mistakes. Okay, if that's useful, subscribe to the channel. We have lots of videos on advice to improve your English, business English and general English. And also you can try our group classes. You can try the first one for free to see if you like them. It's maximum 4 people. It's online and your group will have a similar level to you. So you don't need to be embarrassed. It's all very relaxed and a lot of fun. But anyway, if there's anything else that you would like advice with in English, let us know. We would love to hear and we can do a short video on it.